Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, we're going to be doing some gardening. We're going to sow some seed for our garden. Last year, I purchased all my plants from our local nursery. This year, I am going to be sowing all my seeds, and I'm so excited to sow all these seeds. And here I'm just showing you guys all the stuff that I'm planting from seeds. So if you're not following, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And you could see the process and the growth of all these seeds. I kind of got carried away a little bit with all these seeds. So here I'm using my fertilizer. Somebody on Instagram, she's she's really good. She has a green thumb, really good with her gardening, and she suggested me using this. It helps keep the rabbit away, and it also neutralizes and give good nutrients and stuff to your plant. But look at my finger, guys, my hand, guys. I screwed this up. I messed it up at my craft fair. I F up my arm. I'm trying to close down my t-shirt rack. So it's kind of hard to use this hand, but hey, I'm out here doing my thing, okay? Because guess what? I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. If you ever make it to the end of my video, you always know I said that because I do believe that, and I always call on him. So we're making it happen out here. So here I have these little containers. I got them from Walmart, $5 a piece, and I mix my fertilizer with my dirt. Again, I got it from, I don't even know if it's dirt because it has mulch and all these stuff, compost. So basically, I run into some guy at Walmart and he saw me getting all these things and he's like, yeah, this is the good stuff. And if you go up to Hewitt's, I don't know if wherever you live, if you have Hewitt's, but where we live at, we have Hewitt's Garden Center and they're like really good. It's expensive, but they're really good at knowledge and their plants are good. They say you usually go and get like the moss and mix that with that for the starters. He goes like, yeah, my wife is the garden person. I'm the flower person. I'm like, oh, reverse, but hey, it happens. So anyways, here we are. We're just filling up this little planter, and I never count how much it is. So here, I'm shaking out some of the seeds in my hand. I have never sown seed before, but last year I sowed callaloo. If you're Jamaican or Caribbean, you know what callaloo is. If you're in the United States or somewhere close, it's similar to collard green, but I want to say more likely spinach because it's not as hard as collard green, but I guess that's the best way to explain it. So I planted some by seed and some radish and scallion by seed. And guess what? I poured it all in. I planted it literally in the garden, not like from scratch, but like in these containers. We have to transfer them out. I planted it in the garden. And the instruction said 2 seeds or 1 seed per whatever and 3 inches apart, this whatever apart. I just threw a bunch there because I'm like, from all these seeds, how much is going to come? Let me tell you. All the seeds came. Because of that, I end up with some big old nice healthy looking radish. But when you pull them up, there was nothing underneath because there was no space for the radish to grow. I ended up getting some collard green or callaloo. So that wasn't bad, but it was so cluttered, it's insane. So I'm learning my lesson. So we're doing the seeds in the starter kit here. And what I did here again, I still did not learn, guys. I poured out a bunch of seeds, but I didn't do like I did for the collard green, the callaloo and the radish. I kind of like put 3 and 4 in one. Okay, so I wasn't gonna really make a YouTube video on how I do all of this, but then I was on TikTok live doing it. So if you're not following me on TikTok, you should probably go ahead and do so. All the links to my social media page other than YouTube is gonna be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. So here, now we're planting some cabbage. Okay, so I'm kind of somewhat learning my lessons. So I'm doing like 2 to 3 seeds a piece, but I got carried away on the goddamn lettuce because guess what? For some packet, if you're a gardener or you do these type of things, because I don't know what I'm doing, but I just love gardening. It's just what I do for fun, okay? So anyways, I did put some of these packets, you could tell what's cheap and what's not cheap because some of the packet has so many seeds and some has you could count a handful of seeds. So I'm assuming what's cheaper at the store, we get more seeds versus what's more expensive at the store, you get less seeds, if that makes sense. If I make sense, then go ahead and say, Shayna, you make sense in the comment section. So here we are. We're going ahead, putting the seeds into the pot. And then I'm just, my back hurts, my hand hurt. It's freezing out there, guys. It's when I say it was freezing outside doing this, freezing. So here I have some cucumbers and I have some zucchini. And I'm just reading the packet to see what it says because Of course, Shayna don't follow instructions. So this is cucumber. So after we sowing the cucumber seeds, just showing you guys what I'm doing. And it's boring, okay? It is boring. So I have beets as well, but it's boring. So I'm not going to take you guys through the whole process. But if it's something you're interested in, then hey, you're still here with me. You're the real deal. Keep watching. So if you guys haven't noticed, or if you guys don't know, that's Fiona behind me. And she's kind of like my boss. So she kind of like would just watch me work. So you know you can't slack, idle or be slack on the job. I don't know if that's in Jamaica we say slack, but what do you would say in America? I'm trying to find the right word. Wasting time on the job. That's the best way to say it. So that's all she does. Watch me. So one of the next thing, if you look behind me on that chair, I did spare some of my containers from last year. Because I decided I'm gonna be Farmer Joe and I'm gonna be what do you call this? Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna be Farmer Joe, but Farmer Shayna, Farmer Thomas. All right. So I decided I'm gonna save those containers, so I could plant some seeds. But I didn't know I was gonna get carried away with the seeds like these. So as you guys could see, if you notice and paying attention, I'm putting two seeds of cucumber in this slot. But then I have so much seed, and I was trying to read the packet to see if I could save some. But it says it expired December 2025. So go ahead and type in the comment section if you are like a pro at this, and let me know if I could save some of the seeds, because I just didn't. So this is what it looks like after. So and I brought it inside my house in the mud room and a rack, and then I have to send my neighbor a picture of it the first night and say, oh, I'm becoming just like you guys. I was so excited. But let me tell you, my mud room stank. Guys, believe it or not, 5 days later, I went to watch this thing 4 to 10 times a day just to go look to see if anything would pop. 5 days after, I kid you not, here we are. We have a lot of lettuce. We have some garlic and onion here. Literally 5 days after, I was so excited. I did not take a video here because I just took pictures to send to my neighbor because I was super excited. And look at these garlic and scallion a couple days later. And also I did plant some like the what do you call it, lilies and stuff, gladiolus. So that's what they look like. So here we are. I don't remember how many days this after, but a few more days later, we have a bunch of lettuce. Look at all the lettuce. We have corn, we have beets that are coming, and I'm just excited. But you guys can see it's kind of like that mulch dirt, like kind of like. And a couple days later, look at this. Well, you can see where some pop and some has a pop because it's gone. And this was literally today. This was today. So I'm getting the garden bed ready. So stay tuned for that video because of course I have to extend the garden because I got carried away with seed. But not only that, I'm not going to be planting all these. I'm going to be sharing these with some friends and family so they can have their own garden too. Okay, because these seeds are $2 the highest. But I'm so excited. Look at all the lilies, gladiolus, and everything that I plant. I'm so excited. So as you notice, the bottom tray down there, I have carrots, beets, a bunch of stuff. But guess what? Some of them hasn't popped yet. Over here, I have where you see all these closer to the egg, those are all broccoli. So they're coming. You can see the gladiolus coming. They're coming, and I'm so excited. There's more gladiolus. Guys, to save money, save your containers, okay, and do this. You will not regret it, okay, and save some dollar because life is getting so expensive out here. So do whatever you can, okay. And I got 40 bulbs of gladiolus, so go figure. And for marigold, it's $5 per one tray, one marigold at the store. So try this out. You will not regret it. So if you make it this far, try the video, you're the real deal. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. Therefore, you can be notified every time I upload a video. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.